Here's how to put multiple pictures on your iPhone lock screen. Now head into the Settings app on your iPhone and let's scroll down from here until you find Wallpaper and tap on that. Now let's go through an example. I'm going to tap on Add New Wallpaper at the very bottom. And now to create a slideshow or a shuffle between photos, I'm going to tap on Photo Shuffle at the top left. Now you'll be able to see I can choose what it chooses to shuffle through. Nature, people, cities. Let's say I wanted a specific person. I can tap on people and I can choose to unselect a lot of these. And I can only just choose a few different people if I wanted to just shuffle through those photos of those people. But you can also go back out of here and tap on choose photos manually at the bottom or in albums. Let's say I'm going to select photos manually. Now from here, I'm going to choose that one, that one, that one, and that one. You can go through any of your photos that you want and tap on the plus or the check mark at the top right. Keep in mind, you can only select up to 50 photos. Now, after you've done that, it will create that slideshow for you, and you can update the frequency of that slideshow as well. Keep in mind, from here, it will just go through and select or go through multiple different photos. You can tap at the bottom left here, and then again, you can go to choose photos if you wanted to select different photos. You can even change the frequency so it changes every day or every hour, etc.